Hey everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x power 3 plus x squared equals to 36, and you are supposed to find the value of x. Let's provide the solution here. By copy what we have x power 3 then plus x squared equals to 36, and of course this can be equals to x power 3 plus x squared, and we can make this 36 across equal to this equal sign to get negative 36 equals to 0. Of course this is equal to x power 3 plus x squared minus this 36 can be spread into 27 then plus 9 equals to 0, and this can be written as x power 3 plus x squared minus 27 minus 9 equals to 0, and this is x power 3 minus 27 plus x squared minus 9 equals to 0, and this 27 can be written as x power 3 minus 3 power 3 plus x squared minus 9 equals to 0, and this one only can be written as x minus 3 times x here plus 3x plus 9, and of course if you're so nice with this one is the difference of two squares. This can be a plus x minus 3 x plus 3, right? Then this is equals to 0. Alright, this is what we have right now. By here we have x minus 3 we can factorize x here minus 3 then open bracket of x squared here plus 3x plus 9 then plus this one x plus 3 which equals to 0. Then of course we shall get here x minus 3 open bracket of x squared, this one this plus 4x this and this plus 12 equals to 0, and of course here we shall write this one as x minus 3 equals to 0, or x squared plus 4x plus 12 equals to 0, and we have the value of x here, x1 equals to 3, and of course we here have the quadratic equation, which is x squared plus 4x plus 12 equals to 0, where here our a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 12, as we have seen. Then here by finding x2 and 3 will be negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and this will be negative 4 plus or minus square root of here 16 minus 48 due to 4 times here 12 over 2, and this is equal to negative 4 plus or minus then square root of here negative 32 over 2, and this can be equals to negative 4 plus or minus here that is negative here that is 4i square root of 2 over 2, and this will be here negative 2 plus or minus 2i square root of 2 as the value of x2 and 3. And always you have to check if the answer we have got is correct. They give us correct answer. We have x which is equal to 3, and they have given question x power 3 plus x squared equals to 36, and this is what I have right here. so that here we shall write this one as 3 cubed plus 3 squared, which is equal to 36. And of course this is 27 plus 9, which is equal to 36, and this is 36, which is equal to 36, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.